Everybody, today we're going to be making a 30% solution of tromethamine. So this is used instead of sodium hydroxide and can be shipped easily in your kit. So it's used to adjust pH. So we're going to create a 30% solution, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So here we have our vessel, and we're just going to tare our machine so we can add 70 grams of water. Now you're going to want to use a distilled or deionized water. And we're just going to pour in 70 grams. Okay, and if you go over, you need to remove some. So we've gone over here. We're going to remove some of the water. Okay, almost perfect. Let's put some back. Get this right at 70. And there we go. So we've got 70 grams of water, and we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to measure out our tromethamine. So tromethamine comes in this salt form, and we're going to measure it out. We're going to measure out 30 grams. So you're going to need to tare again. Now 30 grams is going to be a lot, so I need a bigger scoop here. I'm just going to switch my spatula size to a more full 30 grams. So 30 grams is almost an ounce. And I don't have enough of it. Okay. Tromethamine, I only have 16 grams. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to half. So we're going to put 15 grams in here. Okay, so we've got 15 grams. And instead of 70, we need 35 of our water. Alright, so I'm going to use another vessel. Clean up this mess a little bit. Tare. She'll have it. You get to troubleshoot right with me. And we're going to put in 35 grams. And just a drop will put us right at 35. We're going to add our tromethamine, and give it a stir. And there we have, as soon as it completely dissolves, a 30% solution. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of low shear here. This is where an Erlenmeyer flask would come in very handy. In fact, I should have used one. Where are my Erlenmeyer flasks? I have a whole set of these babies. Too close. Not quite done. So if you don't have sodium hydroxide, which is what I do usually use, and I have it in quantity, you can use this. And this is what comes in our kit at the Institute of Personal Care Science. And it's also the pH adjuster that we're going to be using on our trip to Morocco. So this will give you kind of an idea of how to get ready for adjusting your pHs so your finished product is where it should be. So I'm just going to let that sit, and I'll bring it back to you and show you when it's completely hydrated. All right, let's just pour this out. And now we've got plenty of solution for boosting pH. All right, make sure you bottle it, label it, and keep it where you need it. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe, and come on back anytime. Bye. See you next time.